Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. And JASMY is doing what JASMY does all the time, keep going down and crashing all the time. So just look at the 4-hour time frame and how we have that 55 EMA, we have the cross. And from the last time that I uploaded about JASMY, some few weeks back, the whole scenario was that JASMY is looking to drop down to this price target, and so far we've reached 4.5. I made this update when we were up here at 87 and we were moving sideways like this, that we broke down and we were looking to actually go down to that price level. Now the monthly shows this price level, the weekly shows that price level. We are far from over. Now in between we could have some pumps and dumps and pumps and dumps and then go down like that. But if you ever see JASMY, for me the bullish scenario is the following. If my to invalidate my view, and this is on a weekly, it's going to take a lot of time to invalidate, then you really need to see JASMY push above 0.01162, and that's where you could even say that JASMY has bottomed out and we could start an uptrend once for the very first time ever since forever actually. So for me guys, this is the technical target. This is where I might be looking to buy long term as well in the future. A little bit of a purchase here, I think, for me is a no-brainer after all that blood to the downside. I think it's an amazing buy here, at least for a swing trade. Even if it continues lower, I'm not going to be bothered too much because I'm not going to buy too much. But for the long term, yeah, just a little bit of a bag is going to be filled for JASMY. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this update. We're still looking for more drops to the downside, which is actually going to be 57%. The irony is that Bitcoin hasn't even moved down and JASMY is already down. Like when Bitcoin was 19,000, we still had JASMY at 0.08. Bitcoin is still at 19,000 and we have JASMY 50% dumped already. So it's really bad. I don't like it. I don't like how things are looking at the moment, but yeah, what can you say? Okay. And I'm expecting something like this, reds like that one in the weekly. It's going to be very similar to what's going to happen right over here as well. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. For those who are interested in joining our signal, come to the Discord. It's open up for 24 hours. The link is in the description of the video. Click on announcement and you're going to see this video on the guideline on joining the signal as well. If someone is interested in that for November, there are only 10 days to join, and Discord is open for 24 hours after watching this video. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.